So this is my work, and I just quit my job. My full-time $22 an hour job. My name is Daniel. The channel is Sniping Profit. I need this job. It's giving me money. It's giving me income. It's stressing me out. I throw a lot of boxes an hour. I throw like 500 something an hour. We were getting paid $19 an hour, and they upped the pay to 22, I think. I think it's 22, 21.50 or 22. This is in Odessa, Texas. And ever since then, I've been stressed out. I can't hit the numbers they want. They wrote me up. I'm like that close to hitting what they want, but no matter what I do, it seems like I couldn't get the numbers. I'm just stressed out from the job. And before this, I was a full-time reseller for 3 years, and I relied on myself to make money, and I did it. I came up with ways to flip items. I'd go to Walmart, I'd go to Didi's Discounts, I sold on Amazon. But then I was on probation for 3 years for DWI third. I got that in 2018, and then I got the probation, and then I messed up on New Year's. I violated. They locked me up for 8 months. I got out. I worked at Whataburger for like a month and a half, 2 months. Then I got the job here at this distribution center, and I've been here since May. And I liked the job, and then it just stressed me out. I mean, I shouldn't have done what I just did, but I guess it just didn't feel right. Like this is what I'm meant to do. I feel like I'm meant to make content. I'm meant to show people how to sell online, and now I just got to figure out how to keep making money. Either I go get another part-time job, or I become a full-time reseller again. And I didn't go to work today with the intention of being like, hey, I quit my job. I got into an argument with the girl. She runs the office, and I always got to be calling her for items and letting her know what's going on. Because what I do is I order fill. I put labels on boxes, and the company's Family Dollar Warehouse. I put labels in the boxes. I throw them on the conveyor belt. They go. The product that I needed wasn't there, and I gave the lady a little bit of attitude, so it's kind of my fault in a way. And then she gave me attitude back, and then I called her back telling her I was done with what I was doing, and then she gave me attitude, and that's how it happened. I just said, you know what, I quit. So yeah, this is where I'm at. Quit my job. More content coming soon, because now I have more free time, I guess. I don't know if I'm gonna be a full-time reseller, or if I'm gonna go look for a part-time job for now until I figure out how to be the full-time reseller like I used to be. I'll probably be on Amazon pretty soon. I'm getting a new Amazon account. And thank you guys for watching this video. It's crazy to just get up and quit your job, so that's what happened with me right now. And I feel fearful, and I feel a little relieved at the same time. Man, I was a slave to a company, but if I become a full-time reseller, I could own my own time, and I won't be as stressed. So let's see what I decide to do. Thank you guys for watching my rant. I quit my job. Leave in the comments what you think about that. Leave in the comments if you've ever quit your job like this before. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Well, now I'm at home and I have an update. So I did quit my job. This video is real. I didn't plan it. And they just called me back telling me that they want me to go back to work, and they don't want to lose me, for me to take the day off and to come back tomorrow. So looks like I'm still a full-time worker, and I was ready to become a full-time reseller, but I guess not today. I'm gonna keep making this money, this income that I'm getting from this job, and one day I'll go back to being a full-time reseller. Now, catch you on the next one. Peace out.